This sentence can make you sound weak or wise. Let's upgrade it. We start with basic level. I am confused. હું ગુંચવાઈ ગઈ છું. It's correct but unclear. Now better level. I am a little confused about this. મને આ બાબતે થોડી ગૂંચવણ છે. Add clarity to speak better English. Now fluent level. I am not clear about this. Could you explain it again? મને આ સ્પષ્ટ નથી. શું તમે ફરી સમજાવી શકો? Clarity and request equal fluent English. Fluent English is not hiding confusion. It's about asking clarity. Fluent English એટલે સ્પષ્ટ રીતે પૂછવું. Upgrade one sentence daily. Upgrade one sentence daily. Confusion will turn into confidence. દરરોજ એક સેન્ટેન્સ અપગ્રેડ કરો. કોન્ફિડન્સ ગ્રો થશે. See you in the next reel.